Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Pressuring your chest to stop hiccups uses the Valsalva Maneuver, which changes pressure around your diaphragm. While some find relief this way, there's no solid proof it works faster than simpler methods. Hiccups usually stop on their own, but holding your breath or sipping water calmly are safer and often just as effective. So, pressing your chest might help, but it's not a guaranteed quick fix.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.